next, viewers, tracking breaking developments from Bengal now, where the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has written to the Prime Minister over the Bengal tableau for Republic Day parade. And she says, I quote, I have been profoundly shocked and hurt by the decision of the Government of India to abruptly exclude the proposed tableau of the Government of West Bengal from the ensuing Republic Day parade. It is even more baffling for us that the tableau was rejected without assigning any reasons or justifications. End quote. And this is what Mamata Banerjee has said in a 2-page letter that she has written to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, talking about the exclusion of the Bengal tableau from the upcoming Republic Day parade, and has also asked for clarification because she has said that there was no intimation of any sort that was sent to the government of West Bengal before excluding the proposed tableau of the government of West Bengal itself. Remember, the Republic Day celebrations that are all set to begin from 23rd of January on Netaji's birth anniversary, which will continue on the 26th of January as well, where in this parade, for which Mamata Banerjee has also written a 2-page letter now to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and asking for clarifications on no intimation whatsoever that was given to the government of West Bengal for excluding the proposed tableau of the government of West Bengal as well. And we have seen this letter, which is creating a lot of controversy now, with Mamata Banerjee talking about how she was absolutely shocked over the centre's decision for excluding West Bengal's tableau, which was also set to highlight the contributions of the freedom fighters from upcoming Republic Day parade in Delhi. And the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Sunday, in fact, has also written this letter to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, urging him to reconsider the decision, as the people of the state would be pained by this move, is something that she has mentioned in this 2-page letter that she has also written to the Prime Minister, and expressing deep shock and hurt by the decision of the government of India, claiming that there were several freedom fighters who were also in that proposed tableau of the government of West Bengal, and that there was absolutely no intimation that was given to them before removing of this proposed tableau. In fact, the tableau that had been proposed by the government of West Bengal also commemorated the contributions of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and in fact, the celebrations taking place on his birth anniversary, 125th birth anniversary, is also something that Mamata Banerjee has mentioned in this 2-page letter that she has written to the Prime Minister.